Hey guys, so in today's video we'll be installing a graphics card onto our computer here. We've been using the integrated graphics one so far, but we decided to go with a full graphics card. So what we'll be installing today is the EVGA GTX 1060 6 gigabyte version. So we'll be installing that one today. So here's our computer. We've already unplugged everything off of it. Taking the glass cover off. So now we're gonna gain access to the power supply from the back side of it here, from the back left hand side, so we can get the cable running for the 6-pin connector that this one uses. So let me do that and we'll get started. Alright, so before I get the install started, I'll show you what we have here. So there's our graphics card, the 1060 GTX single fan. Now this adapter here is what came with the unit, which is Molex to 6-pin, which I won't be using. I have a modular power supply from EVGA as well. So the one I'll be using is what came with the power supply, which is this one. So this one here will go to the power supply, and then either this end or this end, the 6-pin. Not the 2, this is 6 plus 2, so I'll be using one of those there for the graphics card. So depending on the power supply that you have and the graphics card that you have, those will be the connections that you will need, but those are the ones I'll be using. So anyways, now let me get to the power supply, the back of the computer, and we'll get started. Alright, so where I'll be mounting my video card, the graphics will be on this 6-pin slot here. So very locked to where I can run my harness for the power, and I should be able to run it either here or maybe even there's a small opening right there, if you can see that, through there. Since it will be at back here, I should just be able to connect it. So depending on the graphics card you have and where it's located in the power supply and whatnot, that's why we want to route it the easiest way possible. So you can see, you cannot see my power supply, it's covered, so that's what I want to do it that way, which is, I like it, so the wires are not showing as much. But anyways, I'll flip my case over. And there is my power supply. I have an EVGA as well, as I mentioned before. So double check the power supply that you have to see which connection you need. I know for mine, I already gone and undid these 2 screws, so I'll be able to slide it back some so I can gain access to the connector. The one for mine is the VGA is what's labeled, so I'll be able to connect there and then run my wires through here or through here, whichever I want. So yeah, check which connections you need, and that's what we'll be using. So anyways, let me get the harness connected and we'll continue on. Alright, so we've got, I've moved my wires here for my case fans out of the way, because I did kind of have them tuck underneath the way there. I don't want to get in the way of this card. So now we've done that, we're gonna use this little clip here. Make sure you push that open or to the right to get your card in there. Then make sure that you take this little sleeve or this little cover off before installing your card. So I'll take that off and then we'll slide it into place. Alright, so now I've got everything done here. I've got the graphics card all mounted up, put my 2 screws back in there, got the power connector all done up. For mine, I reran some of my wires there for my case fans, so it's all good to go. So let me get a close-up view of what this one looks like. Alright, now that we've done the installation of the card,
now it is time to download the drivers.
correct. So we'll hook up the computer to everything else, and then we'll go download the drivers for it. Alright, so there's our desktop. So now we'll show you here. So we right click, should be able to see your EVGA control panel option here. If you click on it, you should open up your panel. So there it'll show you what you have. So of course it's the GTX 1066 gigabyte version 417.71. And yeah, you're good to go with that. So now to download the newest drivers for it, go to the website for your case. So let's say EVGA. For this one, you will go to Service, Drivers and BIOS. Then you gotta pick a family. So meaning the what you have. So this one is the 10-900 series. So I already checked it before I installed the graphics card, and the 10 and the 900 is pretty much the same. So let's say we'll go 900. Then pick your OS. Mine's the 1064, and then submit. And then here it will show you any updates. So as of yesterday, there was a new update, which is the 417.71, as I just showed you. So you're gonna download that one and then just open it and run it, and that will be your latest updates. Once you've done that, you should be all good to go. So there's the settings there, and then you should be able to have a GeForce experience installed if you want it, and this is what that looks like. So we'll just go home. Where's the stuff here? So that's my username and whatnot. Yeah, all this kind of good stuff. Drivers. So if you go to drivers there, it will show you everything. So so it shows you the latest one, which we just downloaded and installed, and all that kind of good stuff. Alright, so we're all done. So that's how you install a graphics card into your computer. Might be a little different depending on what you have and what you actually install. Otherwise, you're good to go. So thanks for watching. Any comments, questions, let us know.
Subscribe and give us a like.
Thanks for watching, guys.